The condition of one who is capable of doing work and is actively searching for it but unable to find one is known as unemployment in one word. Can be defined very easily, but it is as tough being in that situation and continuing with patience. Even the word unemployment has created a serious buzz, especially in India, but when we come across the content around it, then there are only shocks of problems. Literally, the way it is portrayed seems like this is something which is beyond human intellect. In this video, we will not only be analyzing unemployment's cause and effects, but will also leave you with actual, yes, practical solutions towards fighting unemployment. So before starting with the video, a shout out for Rohit Thakur. A personal thanks for your support. You all can also get your name mentioned in the next video by subscribing the channel and commenting I have subscribed. So continuing with the video, I would like to highlight the fact that the stage where India is, it is a luxury for some countries. Almost 55% of the population falls under working age, that is 15 to 64 years. This simply means that we as a country have huge workforce and a steep growth can be observed in the near future. But why does then the performance has been below par? A simple reason which comes out is underutilization or mismanagement of human resource. We are present in a golden period where the majority of the people are in working age, and if we don't make its best use, then there would be even greater problems in the future. So firstly, going through the topic that why is unemployment created? First and foremost point, unemployment is created because employment is not created. Lack of jobs is an extremely critical issue and an obvious reason for growing unemployment in India. Planning Commission has in numerous reports stating that lakhs of jobs can be produced in education sector, even more in tourism sector, etc. But the political interest has been in renaming it to Niti Aayog rather than addressing the problems. The rise of technology has also erased away a good number of jobs. The second biggest reason would be quality of workforce. The poor condition of education in India has been a significant reason of increasing unemployment. Firms are not interested in hiring the employees who can't serve up to modern day expectations. Third major reason according to me would be slave mindset. It is perfectly true that everyone can't start off a business, but the harsh picture is that not even 5% of the people of the country are job creators. If the ratio of job seekers and job creators is of such extremely diverse nature, then obviously the problem of unemployment will pave its way. Well, this is not only based on individual level but government also. The policies of government highly influence that whether people would like investing in the market or not. These were the most important causes according to me, but a highly trending cause on people's lips is population. Yes, it is an issue, but I don't rate it as highly as the other issues because population hasn't exploded today only. It has been since a long time. Moreover, population's growth rate is decreasing year by year, and the best part, as much as the population, as much as the tax collection. So managing a population is an art, and we are still waiting for the artist. Now, I don't think we need to talk about the effects of unemployment as everyone is aware about the same. Basically, in one sentence, unemployment disturbs the finances of both the individual and the nation. Now the most important part, the solution. We list out 4 points to put forward the best possible solution towards unemployment. Number 1, accept the fact. Sometimes we become sentimental towards the nation. We think that, oh, my country is not equipped with problems. It is a great country. Such things happen in every society and many more excuses. But we desperately need to accept the fact that we are suffering. Yes, in many dimensions, India is way more ahead of the best economies of the world. But we can't just copy-paste our achievement in one field into the other. When we accept that, okay, we need to improve our employment sector, then automatically a solution-oriented approach will pave its way. Number 2, education. We will ponder about modern day education, life skills, holistic development later. We are not even able to deliver the students the benefits of current education system. There must be robust steps to at least ensure the benefits of current education system to each and every learner. This step requires a high share of efforts from the governmental level. Number 3, ignore the ignorable. The last point leads us to the next. Our minds have been manipulated in a way that we are not able to think beyond our cultural identity. Vote bank politics has deeply penetrated in our lives, and when we ponder about issues like unemployment, then it feels how small those issues actually are. Number 4. Job creation. Again, a point with major share of governmental work, but our role is also necessary. As talked earlier also, an increase is needed in the number of job creators, and obviously government has to develop the sectors which have job producing potential. So that were the best solutions I could provide. As you have watched the video this long, I would like to reward you personally with a bonus point, that is, empower yourself. Get into a position where you can be a major part of the society and your intent could lead to the improvement in such situations. What you can do today is to grow yourself, and for that only we make consistent videos on self-improvement. So that's all with the video. Hope you liked the perspective. If yes, please support us by subscribing the channel and sharing the video with your near and dear ones. Feel free to use the comment section for queries or feedback. We'll meet in the next one. Till then, goodbye.